Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a graph on Google Docs. So what I wanted to do is go to the 7th grade folder and go ahead and go to coursework, go to Unit 1, Scientific Method, the airplane folder, and then I'd like you to go to the airplane data chart and graph. So once you're here, I'd like you to go ahead and enter your data in meters for the control group and the experimental group. So I'm just going to put some random data in there. If you need to find the average of your group, all you need to do is highlight your data and then press Insert. Go to Function Average, and it'll do it for you. And press Enter. And then same for here. Again, Insert, Function, Average, press Enter, and there you go. Now when trying to graph your data, first thing you need to do is highlight your groups, like so. We're not going to do the average. We're just going to highlight or graph your data. So highlight like this, Insert, Chart, and then you have a nice beautiful chart editor up here. So this right here is what your graph looks like currently. Alright, so we need to obviously make some changes. For this particular piece of data, I believe the vertical bar graph is best. You see here, this is a problem when it shows the trials. We don't want that. We want the trials down here. So if you look here, trial under A, see column A is where all your trials are. And you look here, you use column A as labels. That's what we want. So we want to press that, and there we have a nice beautiful graph of your data. And then after that, we want to add a title to it as well as label this axis and this axis. So we go to Customize. Right here is your chart title. So you can go ahead and, since we're doing the control group, we can put Airplane Lab Control Group. And if we click out of that, you see it automatically changes, so it's just nice. You obviously can change these formatting. You can change the color. It's fine by me. You can also mess around with these things. You can play around with that as we do more and more graphing. But I'm going to just focus on the titles and the axes. So right now, the axis that we're focusing on here is the horizontal. If you click it, you see, oh, I can go down to vertical as well. But we're just going to do horizontal first. So what we want this here to be labeled as trials. Those are our trials. So we want to communicate to people looking at this graph that those are trials. And then for vertical, this is distance or length. So either one works. I'm going to put length. And then make sure to add the units. It's always very, very important to add the units. You add the units there. You can click out of it. There's a great preview. You have the title. You have each axis labeled, and the data looks awesome. So from here, you're ready to go. Obviously, you can make different changes, like what you want your min and max to be for the vertical axis. So if you look here, it starts at 9. So if I wanted to start at 0 and go to 13, then you can see it might be a better graph and kind of give a better representation of the distances that each plane flew or each trial flew. And you can mess around with this more and more, and you can kind of play around with it. And again, you can adjust the colors of the columns if you want to. I have no preference to a color of a column. So that's basically it for right now. We'll get more and more advanced as we go along, but that's pretty much what you have to do this weekend. Good luck, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.